Hi, I'm Ellie Pearl, a student attorney with the UW-Madison's Law and Entrepreneurship Clinic. I'd like to welcome you to the Small Business Development Center's Entrepreneurial How-To video series. Today, I'm going to give you a brief overview about operating agreements for limited liability companies, called LLCs. LLCs are created when articles of organization are filed with the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions. However, an operating agreement is the central governing document for a limited liability company. The operating agreement is a contract between the members of the LLC about how they will run the business that is kept in the company's records. The first question we always get asked is, do I need an operating agreement? The short answer is no, it is not required. The LLC laws in Wisconsin will set out a basic set of rules in the absence of an operating agreement. But an operating agreement is almost always a good idea, especially if you have multiple owners in the company. Another question people ask is, what exactly should be in an operating agreement? It should cover important issues for the management of the company. Among the more important issues it should cover, how members get into and out of the company, how members are removed from the company and what to do if a member dies or gets divorced, how membership voting works, and lay out management authority. It should also, at a minimum, have a cap table or capitalization table that sets out the contact information for each member, how much capital each put into the company, and the ownership interest of each. Entrepreneurs frequently ask if the operating agreement they downloaded off the internet is okay. We would not recommend downloading an operating agreement from the internet. Every state has different rules for how LLCs are run, so an operating agreement written for LLCs in one state may not be relevant for another state. Moreover, every company runs differently, so an internet operating agreement may not accurately describe how your company operates, making it of little use if a judge, arbitrator, or mediator needs to make a decision about how your company should be run. Now that you've gotten a good introduction on operating agreements, check out the rest of the SBDC Entrepreneurial How-To video series to help you build your business.